This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will with a quick update about connectunited. Earlier today, I received an email with a lot of valuable information. I'm also new here, so we are both learning how to use this system. During this video, we're going to go over that information. It's actually going to answer to some of your questions. One of the main questions is, how can we swap those tokens, those rewards, into crypto? Well, during this video, we're going to learn how to do that. But before we go there, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. I will really appreciate your support. If at any point you would like to get involved and you need some help along the way, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Just a quick recap about Connect. This platform started a couple of years ago. Right now it's becoming more popular in the space because of the huge success. They have an ecosystem where you're going to find multiple companies in different niches. These companies are offering products, are offering solutions to the real world. It's all about blockchain, it's about software, and it's about something called nodes. We can participate by helping these companies to build their networks, their blockchain, by running these softwares, these nodes, and in return, we're going to get some rewards. The rewards are paid in tokens, and I can show you that right here. When we go to buy nodes, here is a list of all the companies. Each one of those has a different mission, different niche, different price as well. Over the time, these nodes are going to increase in price. That is going to increase the value. That can give us more rewards. I have a video where we can see the evolution of the accounts in the last 4 years. I'm going to put that video right here in the top corner. I recommend you to watch that one because the results are amazing. If you are looking for opportunities with a lot of potential, opportunities that are going to be here for a long term, then you should take a look at Connect. Here you can see the cost of this node. It's 8,950. In the next couple of years, this cost might double or triple in value. It might not be so accessible for us at that point, but right now we can still be part of this with a minimum price entry. There is a promotion. I don't know how long this promotion is going to be out there. If you decide to get the Win node, this one is going to cost you 2,000. But if you, let me add one to the cart. It's going to reveal this box. And if you click in this link, there you have 4 coupon codes. Each one of those is going to give you a discount of 1,500. So pay attention. If you apply it, you will pay only 500 USDT instead of 2,000. Or if you want to spend the 2,000, let me show you, you can apply the 4 coupon codes. You still spend 2,000, but now you have 4 nodes. The way to get started is simple. I also have a video showing how to do that. Let's talk about the email, because they are also discussing about the nodes. There are 2 companies, Red and Rally. They say those ones are now available in the shopping cart. We can find those right here, Rally and Rev. These 2 smart nodes are going to increase in value. Right now you can get it for 2,500 only for the next 2 days. After that, prices are set to rise as smart node sales increase. Due to the number of smart nodes already sold, we anticipate the price increase will be significant. So you have 2 more days to get these 2 nodes at 2,500 each. So that is one of the things they mention in this email. The other one is the Wallet 2.0 update. If you click right here, it's going to take you directly to the official pages. There are the steps that you need to follow. And here is another question that I got in the last couple of days. How can I have access to the bridge? The bridge is how we're going to be able to swap those tokens from the blockchain to the ERC20 network. Right here, let me show you real quick. In wallet, and if we go inside the Win wallet or any of the wallets you are using, you can see there your wallet address, some of your rewards, but the bridge is not active. And here is no option to activate it. So what you need to do is come to this email. Here it says you can access the bridge here. It's going to take you to this page where you need to click again where it says access the Win bridge. You need to log in again. And now it's going to reveal the bridge option. This tool lets you take your rewards, which are currently exist on the Win blockchain, and exchange them for ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network. Of course, we're gonna need some Ethereum in our wallet to pay gas fees. If we want to collect rewards, we're gonna click right here. We're gonna click in max, or type the amount of tokens that you want to collect. This is the amount of Ethereum that you need in your wallet to pay the fees. We can preview the transaction. You can read the terms. You need to agree. You need to type your passcode. You need to create this one when you register. After that, we're gonna click in transfer, and that's what we need to do. I'm not going to do that right now because, let me show you. I need to add some Ethereum to my wallet right here. You just go inside. You can send or receive. It works exactly the same like any other wallet. And now after we swap those tokens, we're gonna send it from the blockchain to our ERC20 wallet. The win notes are attached to the referral site, but if you don't want to bring anyone here, you can use it just passively. You have a 1-year license for those ones to earn passively. It's just that simple. All right, so that's the information that I have for you today. If you want to check my in-depth review, I'm going to put it right here. If you have any questions, now you know where to find me. The link to my Telegram group is in the description of this video. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope to see you in my next video, where I'm going to show you my progress. I'm going to show you the evolution of my account. This was my update on Connect United. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a wonderful day. Bye.